Next talk, Paige.
Hi, thanks. I'm Cody. I'm a PhD student at MIT in aeronautics and astronautics with the resource team. And we've been working on the development of a virtual reality environment specifically for the use of geological assessment for near field environments. So we've been focusing on near field LiDAR cameras and how to incorporate this into virtual reality, and then including different sensor data so that we can layer on top different types of data into this virtual reality environment. And we're going to be testing this in Svalbard in the fall, and actually looking specifically at how well VR can be used for this type of scientific analysis, and focusing on the difference between using a VR environment versus a desktop environment or traditional geological field notes. Yeah, so stop by my poster and I'd love to talk to you about it more.